Hey everybody, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to track calls from Google Ads so that you'll know how well that your call ads and your ads in general and your call ads with location extensions are doing. Hey everyone, I'm Richard Cruz and my agency WSI Priority Media. We're out there testing a new Google Ads strategy every single day. We're discovering the things that are working and that are not working, and I create these videos so I can share with you ideas and tips to help you get better results with your own Google Ads. So to track calls from Google Ads, you're going to want to make sure that you're setting a minimum time variable. And so often I see people that are not putting the right time windows. And so, for example, you know that a call coming into your call queue takes, say, 15 seconds to answer. And so the person on the other end is going to be online, say, a minimum of 35 seconds, say, for you to really know that that is a real inquiry and you're talking to somebody. It's not a hang up. It's not, a wrong number. And so you can set your conversion setting at 50 seconds. That's 15 plus 35, the two variables that we have. And you want to make sure that you're now filtering out the shorter calls that probably are not going to be genuine leads. This is going to give you a lot better call tracking data. And so the tool, by the way, to track the calls from Google is totally free. It helps you understand how well that your keyword ads and your ad groups and your campaigns are working for your business. And it allows you to invest your money wisely and how to be able to understand, what really is working or not. When your call tracking is off, it's crazy. You just see this horrible number. You'll see 500, call conversions, and your phone system only shows that you got 100. And so make sure that you've got that right. I'm going to walk you through the Google Ads dashboard here, and I'm going to show you how to be able to set up the basics of it. This is just a test campaign. We don't really keep any data in it, but I use it for examples like this here. And so what you want to do is you want to go to the tools icon right up here, and in the tools icon, you're going to go down to measure, and from measure, you're going to be moving down into the conversions. And so you go here, and then you're going to be looking for the plus button. And then on the plus button, you're going to go ahead and you're going to click this guy right here. And then what you'll want to do is click on phone calls. And then phone calls, let me move myself out of the way here. What you want to do is you want to do call ads coming from call extension or call only ads here. And then continue. And then you'll start, populating your, data right here. Some of the key points on this page, this is not the purpose of this isn't to go to every single step. I want to give you the highlights and some things to know about here. And so some of the things that you'll want to do as you're going through this here is making sure that you're setting up your call length in here. And if you need to assign a value for call tracking, use your values as well too. Let's say that you know that each new customer is worth, say, $1,000. I'm going to use that because it's easy to do the rounding up. And so $1,000, and every 10 calls, turns into a customer, then the value is $100, and you can use that right here as well too. For your call recording outside of Google Ads with your conversion tracking, you can use tools. One of my favorite that we use in our agency all the time is CallRail. Now there's a whole bunch of them out there. I've just been a big fan of CallRail. Their service is really good. Their tracking is really good. We can set up their data into analytics, and we can connect it to the Google Ads account so that the data is shared seamlessly. And so we're able to look right through here, and we're able to get recordings of every one of our calls. As an agency, we share these calls with our clients so they can get an email copy of each one, or they can get a dashboard where they could listen into them. But see, when you're doing really good processes that are going to track calls from Google Ads, it's not just tracking the number, but it's also tracking the quality of the call. Like I'll sit there sometimes and I'll listen to some of the calls, and I hear a recording that's in a foreign language. It's already playing that is a junk robocall. things like that I'm looking for right away. I'm looking for click fraud that is coming through here, and things like that help me to be able to ensure that we're getting good quality leads. So do your setup, check all of your data, and this call tracking is just such a powerful tool. Allows you to know, what's working, what's not working, and where to ramp up and how to be able to scale profitably. And so that's my overview on how to be able to track calls from Google Ads. I hope that you've learned at least one thing in this video, and if you did, do me a favor, leave that one thing in the comments below. And if you ever need help with your own Google Ads or digital marketing, give me a buzz. We have a 45-day challenge. It is a pretty awesome challenge where we stand behind our work literally. Remember to like this video and subscribe so that you're alerted of future episodes like this. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.